Hello guys, so we are ready and now we are going to learn about some advanced commands in the uh, Linux command line. Okay, now first of all let's start with I have just missed out the move command previously. Let's learn how we can move stuff in the command line. So let's open the terminal here and we have to move this hello file inside the I can say in the hello inside. Okay, let's move. How we can use that? We will type mv hello uh, .txt. Okay, we are going to move it to the folder that is hello uh, hello inside and then hit enter. You can see the file is gone, and where it is now, it is inside the hello folder. Okay, it's inside the hello inside folder. Let's see, is it there? Yes, exactly, it's in the hello inside folder. Now let's start the advanced file and navigating commands. So as we have already discussed, the command like that is ls, and what we do, we just list file. Okay, now if we have to list the formatted listing, okay, we can use a extension to this command that is ls-l, and this will tell you the greater details. Okay, so these are the file permissions right now. Okay, these are file permissions. These are the user, this is the size, and this is the modification date, and this is the name of the file. So this is the more detailed view of the ls command. And now we can use ls minus a to view the uh, we can use the minus la command to view hidden files also. If we hit enter, we can see there are two hidden files more, so total at now 12. Now what we can see, there is a dot and dot. This is actually used for navigation, so these are usually hidden. So if you want to view that, you can also view that. Also, if you use what you can say, if you can, you have to use if you have to check the hidden files in the root file folder. Now if we go to ls minus la, you can see how many hidden files we have. Look how many hidden files we have. We have total this is a hidden file, which are the hidden file, this is the hidden file, this is the hidden file. Okay, so these are the hidden files in the root directory. Now let's go to the another more advanced command, that is pwd. This stands for present working directory. Okay, when you hit enter, you will know where you are actually. If you don't have this, you can type pwd and know where you are right now. Okay, for example, if I open terminal here and here I do this pwd, it should tell me that I am on a desktop. Okay, here you can see we are exactly on the desktop, from home then Kali to desktop. If I go back and then use the same command, it will tell me that you have moved from desktop to Kali. If I do the back command again and again type the pwd command, I'm at the home. Okay, so if I have to move to again to the cd, we have to type Kali. I will be in the Kali, and if you I have to go to the desktop, I will go to the desktop. Okay, so now how do we create folders in the terminal? Okay, so we have a command that's known as mkdir. Okay, mkdir, we can create a folder by it. Okay, let's name the folder new folder. Okay, and then hit enter. You can see here a folder got generated. Right now, if I use you can say if I have to add something in the folder, we'll first navigate to the folder, new folder, and hit enter and go to ls. Now let's create a file with touch command. With touch you can create a command, create a file. Okay, let's create my new file. Okay, .txt. Okay, we hit enter. There should be a file right now. Yeah, exactly, we have a file, my new file in txt, that is in the new folder. You can see here the file we created. Now if we have to delete this file, what we have to do, let's delete the file. We will type rm, which stands for remove, and we will remove the file, which is the file my new file, and we hit enter, and we again check the file folder. There's nothing, as we deleted the file. Now if you have to delete this folder, what you will do, okay, let's go back and try to delete the folder. Okay, we type rm new folder. It won't work, but I will show you. So it shows can't remove new folder, it's a directory. Okay, how do you delete a directory then? So you have to type rm, and you have to specify that it's r, that means recursive, and use the folder name. Now if you hit enter, it is deleted, right? There's nothing here. Now let's create a folder and use the let's create a folder mkdir and my new folder 2. Okay, here I created a new folder. Let's navigate to it, my new folder, and add enter. Now let's do one thing. Okay, let's create a file. Let's create a file and use the rest of the commands on it. Touch new file. Okay, dot txt. Okay, let's add something to it. Okay, how do we add a file? How do I add something to it? If we have to use it via GUI, we go to here and literally go out, open with mousepad and enter stuff. Okay, let's enter stuff. Hello, you are learning Linux. Okay, let's save it. I have just saved this by Control S. You can also save it by clicking in here. Okay, just go back and let's see if you had to view this file without going to this folder. Okay, and using GUI, how can you view the quickly? How to make it move it? How do you view it quickly? We will use this cat command and just type the new file.txt, and you will get the hello, you are learning Linux. If you want to open in that that looks like the notepad, you have to name it. For example, in Kali we have what was that, mousepad? Yeah, in Kali we have mousepad. You can also type mousepad and the file name, and it will also open, but it will open in a GUI format. Now let's save this and go back, and let's see how you can see a file that is longer, and you have to just see what is at the end of the file. Let's create a file, cat new file. Okay, now we just edit this one with the help of a mousepad. After that I will show you a better way to do this. Now if we just copy this and paste it a lot of times, okay, now what we enter here is we enter you reached at the end of this file. Okay, let's save this. Okay, what if you have to view only this portion of the file? What you do is you add this command. Okay, did I save it? Wait, I think I didn't save it. No, I saved it. Okay, so what we have to do is we use this command tail, and we fill new file and enter. So this is a half of the file, and it is here. You reach the file. Now if you want to clear this, it is all messy. If you want to clear the terminal, you use clear, and it will get cleared out. Okay, so now let's move to the networking section of the cmd command line. Now let's know some networking commands in this. Now if you have to wear the network cards in your Kali, you have to type this if config. Okay. Now it returned me two interfaces. One is Ethernet and one is a loopback. Okay, this is actually a local host IP. So this is your local host out IP, and what it is here. Here I have this. It's 0. It's actually the net file we used while creating the Kali, and this is how it works. So this is from which our internet works right now. Okay, and if you have a Wi-Fi card that we will learn in the Wi-Fi hacking section, then you will have one more uh, card that will be VLAN. Okay, that we will use for monitoring and hacking a Wi-Fi Wi-Fi router or any Wi-Fi device. Okay, let's go to the next command. It is ping, and we will just ping any uh, website. Okay, to check if it returns us some output or not. If I type ping google.com, I will return okay, sorry, let's just go to 1.1 ping. Okay, so here you go. Actually it is, oh, I just used a bad keyword there, that's why it didn't work. Com, and it will should work. Yeah, so it's working right now. So this is just telling us that if we ping and we are getting a return in this uh, time frame. Okay, so this will continue pinging the Google domain. You can also do this by using the IP address of the uh, Google website. That will be uh, 8.8.8.8.8.8 and enter. This is also Google. Okay, we are just doing the same thing, but now we are using the direct IP address of Google. So this is the ping command, and let's learn about the um, who is command. Okay, let's say we go to who is, and I will use the google.com. Okay, this is actually a info gathering tool. Let's go to enter. It will give me the DNS records and other things of the uh, website. Now we can see here are the name servers. These are actually DNS servers, and what is the organization? It's Google actually. That's right. Okay, and where it's the registered, where it's Google LLC, California, United States. Okay, you get these domain related queries by the who is command. Okay, this is the best command I think to start off. You can see how when it was created. When was the domain created? It was created in 1997, and its expiry date is 2028. Well, it won't expire because they will renew it. Okay, so let's go to the next command. Oh, this is messy right now, so we will hit clear and hit enter. Now what we'll do is we'll use uh, DNS for the domain. Let's hit dig, and we will again use Google. Okay, now here we get the uh, DNS for the domain. Okay, here we can say see how is the query time, which is the server, and what is the message I received. Okay, this is the IP address. Let's go, and it's currently showing India. If you are in another state country, you will get your desired output here. Okay, let's go to a URL, but from the terminal. Okay, we'll just get the terminal result. Okay, let's go to where we go. Let's go to bing.com this time, bing.com, and go to enter. You will get a page here, but it will be what you can say, we have to use that IMV. Yeah, exactly. So here we can see the time to connect to Bing, and it's showing us the header files by connecting to the bing.com. Okay, let's go to the another section of is going to be the processes section in the Linux. And what we are going to do is we will enter PS. Okay, when you in Windows you use task manager and you list things what are running and what's not running. That's exactly what we are going to do with terminal. Here we will type PS, and this will display currently active processes. Okay, so how many active processes are there? There are actually showing us that two active processes are there. These are actually these terminals. Okay, and the PS and the ZSH command line. So what we'll do is let's go to PS AUX. Okay, this will output the detailed uh, report, and here we can see exactly what is going on in a system right now. These binary, it's loading up the binary initialize splash and other things. Okay, now what if we want to kill a task? Okay, let's kill a task like we do in Windows Defender. I mean Windows Task Manager. Let's kill something. Let's kill this. Let me just note the PID. Okay, process ID. We will kill that task that is 128084. Okay, we will just kill, enter kill 138 138 and 04, and I will hit enter. Okay, did I write something wrong? Kill 13804. Okay, I guess I missed something. Wait, it should work. Oh, it just finished this process. Wait, let me just run a running process right now. It is the running process. Let's hit the ZSH1. Where's the ZSH1? Here, 136458. Let's hit 6458, and it will just kill the ZSH1. Now it had killed that. Now we will go to the next one. Well, that will be our system info section. So if you want to just get the date, you can just enter date, and you will get today's date. Now to show uptime, you want the turn on time of the device, you can go to uptime command and just hit enter. So it's been up for 28 minutes. Okay, this is how you get it. And you can also know the CPU information. For that you have to use cat, then you have to move to a folder called PROC, then you have to go to CPU info. It's actually a file because everything in Linux is a file, so we just cat it out. It will give us the output of our Linux. So here it is, Intel i5 tension and other things. Our RAM size and everything is shown here. Okay, now our to view memory, now we'll go to another thing, that is MEMINFO. Okay, let's go enter. So this is the total memory. As I have this much memory allocated, and memory free is this much. So this is how you can view this. And if you want to know the what you can say, if you want to free memory, can use the free command. Actually you will know how much memory is used, how much is free. If you are using some bigger task and you are feeling that your PC is lagging, you can know by this command that yeah, I have very less free space, that's why your PC will start lagging. Okay, we can also show use the command UNAME, yes, and it will show us the kernel info. Okay, this is the kernel info, of your current working machine. So it's working on 6.1 and the Debian is 6.1.12, and it's a 64-bit operating system. Okay, so now
let's see uh, who is logged in right now. We can do it by who am I. Okay, I am right now Kali. I'm the user Kali right now. Okay,